Article 14, Aggravating Circumstances. Article 14, Aggravating Circumstances. First is that the advantage be taken by the offender of his public position, that the crime committed with the attempt to insult the public authorities. Third, that the act committed with a degree of respect due to the offender by account of his rank, age or sex, or that he is committed in the dwelling of the defended party if the latter has not given provocation. That the act committed with the abuse confidence or abuse ungratefulness. That the crime has been committed in the place of the chief executive of the presence with the public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties or the place dedicated to religious worship. 6. That the crime committed in the night that the crime be committed in the night time or the unusable place where the band whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more or three armed malefactors shall be acquitted during have acted in the circumstances of the offense shall be deemed to is committed by ban. 7. That the crime be committed the accused of inflagration, shipwreck, earthquakes, epidemic or other calamities or misfortune. That the crime was committed with the aid of the armament or possession of or support impunity. That the accused are recidivist is one of the who at the times of the real trial one crime shall be provisionally convicted by final judgment by another crime embraced in the same title of this code. That the offender has been previously punished by an offense which is the law attached or equal greater penalty or two or more crimes is the activities a lighter penalty. That the crime be committed the consideration of price, reward or promise. That the crime committed by means, annotation, the prison, expulsion, standing the vessel, international damage, retirement, locomotive, or by the use of the other artifice involving great ways of ruin. That the act committed with evidence degradation, that the craft fraud or disgrace by employed. That the advantage of taken person's strength or means by employed by opening defense. That the act committed by treachery when the offender commits any crimes against a person employment means. Methods or form of the executive order thereof which indirectly to special ensure the accusation without risk to him use arrest arising from defense of which offend party might make. That means by employed circumstance beyond about which add economy by natural effect of the act. That the crime committed after unlawful entry. This unlawful entry when an entrance if crime a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. That the crime was committed with the aid of person under 15 years old by means of motor vehicle, motorized, motorcraft, airship, and other similar means. That the wrong done of the commission of the crime be deliberately aggravement by causing another were not necessary for its commission.